Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we have planned, tested, produced and installed this waterfall in a hotel lobby right across the front door. Again, I won't tell you all the secrets, but I think you will learn quite a lot what you should take care of when you do such projects. So here you can see the pillar around which the customer wanted the waterfall. And here you can see our sketch. So first of all, we would have planned the water wall, which is made of stainless steel. After that, the tiler was supposed to put tiles here to have a nice natural stone look. So here we have the PVC subdistribution. Here is a stainless steel water wall on which the tiles have been put on afterwards, and here at the left and the right side we have a border so that the water could not go anywhere else, and also a surface where the tiler could put the tiles on. The water then would be collected here in the bottom tank, and the first big challenge at this whole project was to have a waterproof tank around the pillar, which we did not want it to weld at the construction site. So we had to find a construction which we could screw, and yeah, I'm going to show you how this looked like. And by the way, so here you can see our production drawing, and before we do a production drawing we always do a sketch like this. So this is what I would also strongly recommend for you before you do any project. First, make a really detailed and realistic sketch, and after that, then you should find somebody who can do real good stainless steel construction drawings. And here you can see how we have connected those parts so that it would be waterproof. So between those two surfaces we would have a sealing rubber, and then we would put screws through here, and here we have some, I think it's 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters strong stainless steel parts. The bottom tank itself, it had only 2 millimeters, but we needed some thicker material to have a good distribution of the pressure on this rubber so that it would stay proof. And as it was a challenge, it also was a pain it was really a little bit frustration after we have had those parts in the workshop. So after those stainless steel parts have been produced and delivered to the workshop, which we use sometimes, we did the testing setup to check if everything is waterproof. And I really can tell you this was pretty hard to put the parts together, because those stainless steel bottom tank, it was not accurate, it had some waves, and so it was really hard to finally get all those parts in position so that the screws would go through here. But at the end we've made it, and it looked like this. Okay, here you can see that we have managed to put the bottom tank around the pillar. And what I've learned in this project is don't measure too narrow, always leave enough space, because it was really hard to put this tank around this bottom basin, around this pillar, because we've only had 5 millimeters space, but as it was bended a little bit, I think it took an hour to just put this bottom tank in the right position. And before that, actually, we had to put this horizontal pipe through the hole. This one goes one level deeper, and then to the basement where we would have all the water treatment and pumping technology. And by the way, maybe you've realized it. Actually, I've realized it much too late. As you can see here, the pipe to the basement is at the back from the water wall. You see, here's the green wall, here's the pipe, and here's the water wall. But in the real life, the water wall and the pipe to the basement are at the same side. Yeah, this was a painful mistake because I was reading the plans of the customer wrong. So yeah, this was also a little bit pain because we went there and we wanted to set up and install the water wall, and after 10 minutes we found out that yeah, this connection was at the wrong side, so we could go home again, and then we have put it on the right side. So okay, this is a small story. So the lesson is always really prove and double and triple check your sketches and your drawings if they are correct and according to the customer's ideas. And by the way, this water wall was maintained 3 years ago, in 2016, and until today we have no problems with it. It's really seal and proof. And here you can see how we have connected those parts to be waterproof. And we've also put some rubber below the tank so that we could avoid noise, which when the bottom tank would have contact to the concrete, then this all the water sound would be louder. So you should always put some rubber below stainless steel parts and concrete floor. And here you see a short video how we did the testing in the workshop. So the most important thing was that we have a even distribution of the water on a stainless steel. Later here we will going to have those tiles, and here you can see me checking the water distribution in the overflow channel. Yeah, and here you can see the tiler, a friend of mine. His name is Johan Marton. He's a real good tiler. And yeah, he made some photos when he has put the tiles here. And he made a real good, nice and clean, proper job. So that at the end everything looked really pretty nice and good. Yeah. And after he has finished the tiles, then we went there again and we have put the moss on the back side of the water wall, as you can see here. And after that, the customer... and here we also had a cover, which you can see then in the videos. So, yeah, and we had a testing and a running. Maybe there was one more challenge. It was the noise coming out of this pipe, but this is why we've had this kind of a hat on it, which then reduced the noise of the water splashing by, I would say, 98%, and it was no problem anymore. I can show you this here. It's actually like a cap which is screwed on top of this pipe, and so the water will drop in this hole below this cap, and the noise will stay inside this cap and it will not come out because it's pretty loud, when you have the water splashing down here like 60-70 centimeters on a free fall. So, but it was very important to have here some holes in this cap so that the air could get out, so that we don't get sub pressure, or I don't know how to call it, but so yeah, this was important to put here some holes in this cap so that the water, so that we get no vacuum situation and the water can drop down there. And yeah, this is our water treatment tank down here. It's inside here you will find a pump. This is the pipe coming from the waterfall, before it gets into the tank, it will be filtered, and then we pump it up again to the water wall. But this is not finished. This is just a photo after our first day of installing it. Yeah, and here you can see actually we're finished, and we have covered everything nice with some foil so that we don't so that our water feature and our moss doesn't get dirty or damaged by other craftsmen on the construction site. So today I'm pretty proud, because the most important thing if you build a water wall is that it's going to run reliable and secure over the years. And this system, it is proof, it works, the water is clean, the customer is happy, and I would say the two most important lessons have been leave more space when planning around the pillar, because it was really a pain to put the bottom tank there, and take more time reading the customer's plans, because as you remember, we've had a pipe at the wrong side, so we had to drive home again. But after all, it's a nice one. And if you like this video, and if you would like to do this on your own, I would like to support you. So please visit our Waterfall school and opt in for free. Give us your email address, and after that you will get a confirmation email, and after you have clicked the confirmation link, you get access to a free course. You will find this free course in the dashboard after you have logged in with the login data which we send you after you have confirmed your email address. This is here the free course where you learn the basics about what to take care of when you produce a water wall for yourself or for a customer. Also, we have a pretty cool glass water wall mastery course where we teach you in a couple of videos and explanations step by step what to take care of when you build a glass water wall. And also here you can find our ebook, and you can hire me to plan and support you with your project. So, and by the way, for me it would be really, really wonderful if we could work together. So if you want to start a water wall business in your region, because I'm here in the near of Munich and I don't want to travel the whole world for building water walls, I would be really happy if we could work together. So please watch this video how to run a relaxed water wall business, and then please contact me, because I can help you sell water walls in your region, and I also can help you plan and produce them in a way that you can stay relaxed and your customers can stay happy. So thank you very much for watching this. I would be glad if you join us, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.